Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tricks app. In this video, I will show you that how you can create wall arts in Midjourney Discord server. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your Discord server of Midjourney. Here you can see I am in the chat of Midjourney. Now what you will have to do is type the slash and then type in imagine. You can just press the tab and it will automatically do it for you. Now it asks you to enter a prompt. So let's ask Midjourney to create a wall art. So let's type in wall art. Now to separate different prompts, you will have to use comma. So put a comma here and then give a space and then we will type a new prompt. So let's type in colorful. And now let's say we want it in high quality, so let's type in high quality. And finally we can just type in graffiti, and that's a pretty decent prompt. Let's see what does Midjourney. That's a pretty decent prompt. Let's see what Midjourney does with this. So you can just press the enter key and it will start working on the image. Here you can see it is waiting to start. After a while, the after a while your wall after a while your wall after a while your wall art will be created. You can try in different prompts to get different wall arts. That's completely up to you. And you can even get these wall arts done on your own house walls. And you can even done any and you can even get these wall arts done on your walls. And that's how easy it is to create wall arts with Midjourney. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.